It is your girl Danita, back here today preparing for my trip to the Essence Music Festival in July. I'll be leaving the 4th of July weekend. And so I'm going to start. I've already started. I have my clothes chosen and I have them in my suitcase. But yesterday I ordered something from Amazon to help me organize my packing so that I can get more things in my packing. So I wanted to unbox with you today what I got. Again, I ordered this from Amazon and I'll have the information in the description box so that if you're interested, you can get some. I got these on sale for $16.99. Again, at Amazon, and they are the organizer cubes. So I got the green, and it has the mesh here. And they're all inside the big one. This is the big one, and it has a little handle on one end. And little hooks on your zipper. It zips all the way on 3 sides. And then we have a smaller one, and they raise up into this size here. So it'll go this wide. Put your smaller items in, maybe your underwear. And then another one that is a little more private. It doesn't have the mesh, so you can't see what's inside it. And it has a handle on the end. So let's unzip it. I like the little hooks so you can grab onto the zipper quickly. So you get your stuff in there. And what you want to do is use the roll technique and roll your items, your clothing, tightly and put them into your cubes. And then your cubes will go into your luggage so that everything is neat when you get to your destination. So again, I'll be going to the Essence Festival. This is my second time going, my second year in a row. So I'll be traveling to New Orleans. I've been in New Orleans several times. But yeah, I'll be leaving to enjoy the music festival. This bag is a little bigger, and it even has little buckles here to secure your items. And then you have another one about the same size with the buckles to secure your items. So in total, we have 2 medium size, 2 smaller sizes, and 1 bigger. Get even like my dresses, my sundresses in here. Everything really. I can roll these up, put them in here, and then these 2, and then put my lingerie and everything in the smaller one. So I'm pretty excited about those to get my things organized even more. And once I have them rolled tightly, or actually I'll do another video showing the roll technique, pack them up, put them in the luggage, let you guys see how much I've put in there. And yeah, I hope you like them, and feel free to order some. It really helps in packing and with your luggage. As far as, like, for instance, Southwest, you get 2 free luggage check-ins, or check your luggage, you get 2 free. So if you can get everything in those 2, that's fantastic. So again, guys, good to see you. I will be seeing you soon as I begin finishing up my packing for the New Orleans Essence Music Festival. And I will take you along with me, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe. and share the video. And if you have any questions or suggestions, please feel free to leave them in the comment box below. I will talk to you later, guys. You have a fantastic day. And as always, peace, love, and happiness. Bye-bye.